Okay, good afternoon, everybody. I'm out here at my property, and I was hooking up the power washer, and I got just a water tub out here, just a barrel, and I was going to try to see if I could power wash the house off and get the mold off of it. So I got a rain barrel, and it's full of water. I built this last weekend. I mean, I think it's on there. I'm not sure. And I put a garden hose on, hooked the power washer up to it, and there's not enough pressure to push water through it. So my other thing is I'm gonna hook the well pump back up for the summer. Just put it on there, pull it out. I got to pull that line out of there and get the other pump. Put the other pump on there and get everything hooked back up. So that's what I'm gonna work on now, is getting that out of there and see if I could take and get this all hooked back up and get some water pumping so I can wash this place. It's starting to mold up. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. So let's see what we got. Down. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. How heavy that is. Can't let go of that. I don't know how deep that well is. Here we go. Whew. I gotta get up out of here. Getting close. Uh-oh. Ah, there. Woo! Wow, that is a lot of weight once you get up there. So there's the well pump. I guess the water flows through there, runs up that hose. I have another one, so let's go get it and try it, see what we can do. Tucked away back here. Well, you set you down for a minute. Okay, here's the well pump. Let's go out and see how much this one looks like that one. Man, let's go see. This one worked, but it wouldn't hold pressure, so something's wore out in it. So, here we go. There's this one. There's that one. Water connectors. Cardboard box in a cardboard box. And there's a new one. Like an inch and a quarter. It says an inch and a quarter, so it should work. Of course, here comes the rain again. These must be the stickers that goes on the upper part. There's the wire connectors and things you heat up. I guess I want to get this taken apart and put back together. I wonder if I should drag it over in the garage. We'll just drag it over into the garage. It's raining.